course. Wow, you've already made it most of the way through and we're getting there. I'm really excited. I feel like we've had a lot of fun along the way. I've talked to many of you and have been able to meet with many of you, and it's been a great time. Why are you tearing apart my seat? My cat just wants attention right now. Come here. Actually, come say hello to the students. This is Stormy. She is one of the most adorable cats on earth. Look at those toe beans. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So let me tell you a little bit about what we're doing this week. So we're doing so many neat things in regards to market structure. So we're looking from the extreme cases of perfect competition when there's so many buyers and sellers that nobody can really affect anything. What happens to prices and quantity? All the way to the other extreme of monopoly. If there's only one provider of a good or service, what does it mean for prices and quantity and outcomes? So we're going to be talking through a lot of that. Now, there are some key things I need to tell you for the week. Don't worry, I wrote them all down. We have so many. So first thing, there's going to be an extra video this week. That's going to be on your projects. There's an extra project video, very important. Please watch that, especially because your project comes in 3 parts. So the first week you need to give me a topic. I'll approve it or not approve it. The second week you got to give me an outline. The third week you got to give me the presentation. So that one's going to go through all the information on the project. Yes, Kat, we will pay attention to you. You're so cute. Thank you. All right. On coming up from that, next week is Thanksgiving break. Okay, Thanksgiving break, awesome. I know we're all super excited. I'm not going to make you do anything for it because of that. So your week 5 is going to be the week after Thanksgiving break. Your week 5 is your midterm exam for this class. And I'm going to have a bunch of review videos for you that go over the homeworks, key problems that people are missing, example problems, lots of example problems from the first 4 weeks of materials that you'd be able to watch. I'm going to try to have them up early during Thanksgiving break in case any of y'all want to be able to study at that time. It's going to be down to how long it takes me to record them, but I'm going to try to have them up a little bit early so that you can have them during Thanksgiving break if you want. But week 5 is going through all those review videos, working through example problems. There's no quizzes, no assignments, no discussion posts in week 5. What we are worried about is Kat, why do you want so much attention? What we're worried about then is your midterm. So you're going to be focused on the midterm. Please get down. All right, there you go. You're super cute, amazing, wonderful, wonderful cat. All right, so Thanksgiving break, you do not have any work to do. The week after that, you have a test. I will put up review videos. That was basically the gist of it. Okay, then after that, textbooks. I'm still dealing with the publisher about our textbook being broken. It is ridiculous that we are now in week 4 and the textbooks are not fixed. I have now sent emails that were angry enough that I'm sure I'm going to get a talking to from my associate dean trying to get them fixed. Regardless, please reach out to me if there's anything that you need. I'm available in office hours. I can also be available by appointment, even during Thanksgiving break, because I have no self-control and I'm always working anyway. So if you need me during Thanksgiving break, let me know and we can jump on Zoom at any time. And we're going to work together. We're going to get through this. I'm hoping to get everything fixed before Thanksgiving break. Okay, then yeah, that's it. We got our normal office hours. I'm available by appointment. If you need anything from me, you let me know. And there's a project to pay attention to. Keep that on your radar. Midterm coming up. Week 6, we're going over regulation. And then week 7, you have your project that's going to be due and your final exam, which is actually a much larger and broader discussion post related to information that you've learned in all the weeks so far. Okay, well, I have a cat that is hungry and I'm going to go pay attention to her because if I don't soon, she might just maul me. So I'm going to go. Everybody have a great one. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.